Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying or by magic, through others, or by a fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loy Macedo is the best.
So, how many of you are on LinkedIn? Let me ask you. How many? Comment down below. Let me know how many of you are on LinkedIn. Now, I'm also on LinkedIn, okay? But some time ago, I closed the invites before anyone could send me an invite. But then I closed the invites because I was getting spammed with, I don't know, hundreds and thousands of people. In fact, I remember, I think the number of connections I had, I can't remember exactly. I think it was 21,000 something. And I was, before, obviously, when I started social media, I was like, oh, I got, 5,000 people, 10,000 people, I always wanted to brag as to how many connections and contacts I had. And especially in the early days of Facebook, I was busy adding people because I wanted to have so many friends and followers. And eventually, so many times my Facebook account got blocked for spamming. And anyway, those were the early days, 20 years ago or plus, whatever. Okay, now on LinkedIn, I ended up with 21,000 plus people. I don't know 21,000 or how much, but it was a huge number. And one fine day I was like, what the hell is this, man? Who are all these people? From USA, from Africa, from India, from UAE, Pakistan, Sri Lanka. Very soon what I decided is, I need to start trimming this down. Like, what the hell is this? So, okay, I started to remove. And I'll tell you, removing is a bigger headache than adding. Adding, you can just click, add people. Removing people, you have to go to their profile and then select that box and then remove the contact. In fact, I was removing so many people that one day I got an email from LinkedIn. We think your account is hacked, and I let them know it's not hacked. And then they sent another, when I was still removing people, they were like, okay, you're abusing the system. What abusing the system? I'm bloody removing people. Finally, I was like, okay, hell with this. I'll remove every day, 10, 20, 30, whatever. Now, finally, LinkedIn now has an option whereby anyone's name at the side, there's a button where you can unfollow or remove. And until now, I removed a sizable chunk. I think 10,000, 12,000, I don't know. Removed so many people, man, over the period of time. My goal is to remove at least 18,000, or I want to leave it to connections who I know. Okay, people I know. Maybe a very small, I don't mind. I'll just have people who I know. Now, why I'm doing this? I mean, what the hell is this, man? There are so many people, and see, the reason why I'm removing so many people is, LinkedIn has become like utter nonsense, man. It is so bloody fake. You get, I'll give a small example. I had this screenshot which I shared with some people. This particular guy, he has put below his name, strategic leader, growth enhancer, like enhancing the size of whatever. Then what? TEDx speaker, award-winning author, multi-dimensional coach, what has appeared on this thing and coached for Fortune 500 companies, and so many things he has put as this designation. Okay. And when I checked his profile, hardly any engagement. So much of bullshit is there. If you go to Satya Nadella, sorry, why do I say Nadella? Satya Nadella. Okay. He is CEO of Microsoft. That's it, full stop. Nothing more than that. But these small time chelas, bananas, like even I did that when I was on LinkedIn. I didn't know. But then I was like, what the hell is this? Then somebody told me put CEO and founder. That's a very big thing. Oh, people. So I put CEO and founder for my website. Eventually I was like, because I was getting so many people adding me, like, who am I fooling here? Finally I decided I'll have fun. So I put world's #1 personal branding strategist. That's it. That's my tagline. Even after that, I started to get so many people. Finally, I got fed up. I disabled the connect with me. Still, I don't know how people are able to send me requests. See, I don't know if you guys use LinkedIn or is it useful or... But what I see, LinkedIn has become more like Facebook. It's really become stupid, man. Nowadays, people are even putting photographs of their gods, Ram and Allah and Jesus, and they are putting, oh, so inspiring, and they'll put one girl who's handicapped or a boy who's handicapped, and oh, you know, share, like, and now you're getting these people who are putting, my father has cancer, I don't have a job, please help me. Okay, fine, some of you feel, oh, this is so innovative, oh, this is not how a professional networking site should be. Putting Allah, putting gods, putting Jesus, putting Durga, putting Ganesh and all these Hindu gods, and one share and one like is one some shit, and then putting funny videos, and then you even have people putting some of the weirdest shit I've seen is like this female who's putting that she's crying, I'm feeling so vulnerable today, and she's crying, and so many people are commenting because she's blonde and she's crying, you know, be strong, oh, I've sent you a DM, I've sent you a PM, I'm there for you as... Oh, and then people bitching and moaning and, oh, you know, you're asking entry-level jobs with 10 years experience, shame on you, and and then people who are faking who they are not. I know some of them, they oh, I'm this consultant, I'm this award-winning author, and I'm... Who you are trying to fool, man? It's like everyone wants to show, see, my package is bigger than yours. Look, see how big my sausage is. People who will do free seminars, they'll do free, but they'll show a video, oh, it was a sellout. So many people paid. Man, you did it for free. Shut the fuck up. Then people put, oh, this award-winning talk of mine. And then when you check, like even TEDx, award-winning TEDx, 400 views in 7 years, 8 years. That's why, for me, I decided this LinkedIn has become nonsense. I'll just remove, keep only who I know. That's it. Rest everyone, remove. People, CEOs and directors and from US and this and that. And this worst feature that you have on LinkedIn is somebody viewed your profile. And they say, okay, pay money for a premium, you'll know who viewed your profile. Why the fuck should I be bothered who viewed my profile? All of you view, fuck off. And then you get this one guy, he actually said, he sent me a message, the funny thing, hey Loy, I noticed you viewed my profile. Nice to know, how may I help you? He was my contact, I removed him, and now he noticed that I viewed his profile. I viewed his profile to remove him, And now he sends me a message saying that, oh, I saw your profile. I saw that you viewed my profile. And then he sends me a connection request. I just deleted you, man. Fuck off. Overall, what I feel is LinkedIn has just become another fake world, where just like fake book, Facebook. But at least Facebook is entertaining. This LinkedIn is suffocating. It just bloody, everyone's bragging what they are not. Everyone wants to appear larger than life. Everyone wants to show, I'm high, I'm mighty, I'm great, I'm CEO, I'm this, I'm that. But I can assure you this. You ask anyone for help in any way, nothing is going to happen. This is just another platform to show off and attract fake people to you with fake connections. And everyone who adds you most probably wants something from you. But if you're ordinary, nobody wants you. If you're CEO, if you're director, if you're a big shot, everybody wants. And if you're famous, if you're a celebrity, everyone will follow you. And then yes, everyone nowadays they start putting videos of secrets of success, a millionaire, billionaire, coaching secrets and all crap. Anyway, just a rant. You let me know if I'm right or wrong. Okay? Do you use LinkedIn? If you do, let me know. Has it proved to be of any use? Maybe what I'm doing is wrong. I don't know. Alright, you guys take care. Me signing off. Chill.
Yeah, I know what you're thinking. You can get a job in the Middle East simply by trying or by magic, through others or by fluke. Remember that competition is everywhere. Some here, some there, but bam! Loy Macedo is the best.